Making a slicing list. Slicing list. To make a slice with list, you should specify the index of the first and last elements you need to work with. So this is sign of slice. You should use it to make a slice and list. Square brackets, first element, colon, last element. Let's see how. First go to brackets. Then create any list. For example, I wanna make a list called operating systems or OS. Then I wanna put elements such as Mac, Windows, Linux, Android, and iOS, separated by commas. After that, print this slice list by typing print the element name, OS, square brackets, put the first element that you need to start with. After the colon, put the last element that you need to stop in. Save the file and try that on terminal. Great, the sliced list printed well. Okay, now let's try to change a little bit in the sliced list and see the difference. If we did not put anything in the first element before the colon, Python will recognize that and will start from 0. See that on terminal right now. Okay, if I put from 0 to number 3, it will print from Mac to Linux. Cool. Now, I will try from 2 to 5. Good. As you can see here, it's printed the last 3 elements. So, if we try from 2 to number 3, it will print only Linux. Pretty good. Okay, now let's try to print 2 before the colon only. Great, it started from Linux. Also, it's possible to print that by using minus, and it will print from right to left. Pretty good, guys. This is just a practice for you to know how to use the slice list and print it out. Thanks for watching. Using for loop with slicing list. Using for loop with slicing list. Slices are very important to know it because if you wanna create a game, you have to use slices to add the scores of the user or the player each time they finished playing. Let's see how. First, we have to go brackets. As you can see here, we have our list OS with its elements. So we want to use for loop with this slicing list. But first, I want to print a string sentence called now we are using for loop with slicing list. Then type for OS in OS square bracket. Then in the slicing list, put whatever you need. For me, I will put from 0 to 5 as example. Then print OS. Make sure of the indent after for loop. After that, try that on terminal. Alright, as you can see here we got an error in the syntax because we forgot the colon. Okay, very nice. It's printed well right now. Thanks for watching. Copying lists using slicing lists. Copying lists using slicing lists. Copying lists are very important. If you want to add new elements to your slice list or to edit it, we use copy slicing list to do not make changes to the original one. Let's see how. Okay, first go to brackets and make a list, for example, programming languages or proglang. And I want to add elements such as C++, Python, PHP, Swift 4 separated by commas. So, to copy the slice list, make a new list name and try to clarify that it's a copy list, such as copy underscore proglang equal proglang and the slice list side. You also can specify starting and ending elements. After that, I want to print a string sentence that shows you the original slice list. Then print proglang. In here, I want to print a string sentence that shows you the copy slice list is printing here. After that, print copy proglang. So let's try that on terminal now. Very good. The copy slicing list is printed well. So right now, let's try to add a new element to the copy list, which clarifies it's only added to the copy list without the original one by typing copy proglang dot append parenthesis and add any element. For example, Java. Please don't forget the quotation marks with Java. Then print copy proglang. Okay, comment out the first print of copy proglang and try that on terminal. Good job! As you see here in the output, the new element was added well in the copy slice list. Thank you.